Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use AI to generate customer personas in minutes. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by collecting your existing customer data such as age, location, interest, buying habits, or feedback from surveys and social media. Once you have this information, open ChatGPT and type a prompt like create 3 detailed customer personas for a clothing brand based on these traits: age 20 to 35, urban location, interest in sustainable fashion. The AI will generate clear persona profiles with names, goals, and challenges. You can refine these personas by asking ChatGPT to add details like common motivations, preferred social media platforms, or shopping behaviors. For example, add pain points and purchase triggers for Persona 1. Once ready, copy the AI-generated personas into a document or Google Sheets to create a simple table. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.